Hi guys, today's video is another unboxing of the Walmart beauty box. Now this is the winter beauty box and it came out in February, but I just received it 2 days ago, which was March 30th. Yeah, this is the longest of my Walmart beauty boxes that it took to get to me. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. I'm happy to get it. I'm excited, but kind of disappointed. I don't know why it's taking so long to come to me. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so the first thing, it says celebrate your beauty, and it says enter to win $100 gift card. Let's see, when does that expire? Well, there's nothing about it. I would think that it would be expired already since it took so long to get to me. But that's what the inside looks like. It's golden gray. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, this might have been worth the wait. The first thing is, ta-da! It's the Real Techniques Miracle Blending Sponge. I love this sponge. This is a good sponge. I prefer this sponge over the Beauty Blender. Also, there's another sponge that I like. It is the Eco Tools sponge. But yes, this itself paid off this box, because this box is $5 and the $5 is just for shipping, and where I live this is $5.99, so this alone paid off the box. Awesome. What else do we have? Ooh, we have a full size of underarm deodorant by Degree. It's Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black and White Invisible Solid. It's supposed to last 48 hours. But yeah, it's a full size. I don't think any of my boxes I got anything ever full size, and this is a full size product. So yeah, even this paid off, I think, the box, because I'm sure this is over $5 at my store here. I'm probably gonna give this away because I don't use this kind of underarm deodorant. I use the Crystal underarm deodorant, but somebody will enjoy it. Next, we have Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. Immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Easy to apply. Dermatologist recommended. Oh, this is good. See, if you have dry skin, you can just, like, on your elbows or your knees, just spray it on. I wonder if this has a smell to it. I'm gonna spray it on. There's no smell to it at all. It feels like oil. It's not really oily, but I guess it depends how much you spray. So I could see this being really good on your rough elbows and on your knees, or any dry patches that you have. But I'm glad there's no smell to it, because then it won't interfere with any of your perfumes or anything that you wear. Okay, moving on. Now this is one of my favorites. This is Plackers. I am addicted to flossing my teeth. I am a heavy flosser. I floss after every single meal and before I brush my teeth. And so I pretty much floss my teeth at least, I would say, maybe 6 or 7 times a day, and this is what I always carry. And they finally came out with this. Now I carry this in my bag. Before, they had the Plackers in the bag, and in the bag there was a little plastic holder, which was you just stick it in, and it didn't really do anything, because when you stuck it in your purse, if your purse has any kind of debris, it would still get in there. So when they came out with this, I was like, yeah, this is so good. So I carry this in my purse, fully loaded all the time. This is really good. I prefer this floss over the regular string floss. The next thing we have is Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal. It has coconut oil, cocoa butter, African shea butter. Exfoliates and nourishes visibly dry skin. I know Gold Bond is really good. I like this brand. Let's see if there's Oh, it smells like coconut. I love the smell of coconut. I love coconut in general. Okay, moving on. Ooh, we have a purifying, brightening, peeling gel. Refine and clarify. It has vitamin C and E. It brightens and it clarifies and gives you radiance. It's a peeling gel. Okay. Next we have, where's this by? Let me see. Su-ai. It's made in Korea. It's a Korean peeling mask. So you know it's gonna be good. And it looks like this is the last thing in here. Village Naturals Therapy Muscle Relief. Concentrated mineral bath soak. Muscle and joint discomfort, sore tired feet on the go relief. I might use this just for my feet, put it in a bucket. I don't take baths. I prefer just to take showers, so I wouldn't be using this in a bath, but I would use this like when you put it in a bucket and then stick your feet in with warm water. And it's made of Epsom salt, menthol, and spearmint. Fast relief you can feel. Let me see what else. That's pretty much it. Okay, so let's see how many things we got this time in this beauty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's one more than usual. Usually it's 6. This box is really good. I think this is the best box. Especially with the full size and also with this. So I guess it was really worth the wait. Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm gonna pretty much use everything in here, probably except this. I'm gonna give this away. But all in all, the box is really good for this season. So go ahead and put a link down at the bottom in my description box if you want to get your Walmart beauty box. It's $5, which just covers the shipping. Normally, they let you know when they're gonna ship, and this particular one, they let me know when they took the money out of my account for this box, but they didn't give me any kind of shipping info. It just popped up. All in all, the boxes are good. I mean, it's worth $5 if you don't mind waiting. I'm sure if you live on the mainland, you'll get it sooner, but for me, it takes weeks to come. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye!